Yes, good evening, my dear students. In the previous class, we completed exercise, first exercise 1.1 and learned what is sequence, how to find, generate an AP, given first term and the common difference, and some statement problems also we discussed, and problems related to surds also we solved. Right? Now we'll move on to the second part of the chapter. The chapter has the three parts. The first part is introduction and sequences. Second part will be to find the nth term of an AP. To find nth term of an AP. This particular exercise will be based on calculations involving nth term of an AP. So, means a general term, right? Let us try to prove the formula to find nth term of an AP, proof of it. Consider an AP. Let us derive the formula. Consider an AP with the first term A and common difference, and a common difference is B. Let us derive a formula to find out what nth term of an AP. Okay, fine. And the general form of the AP. Let AN be, let the AP contain n terms. Okay. Let AN be nth term of an AP. Let AN be nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP. Right. The AP will be, what is the AP? The general form of the AP hangirthuda. First term will be A. What is second term? A plus D. Then you have A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. Fine. Now let us go on writing term by term. What is our aim? Our aim is to find out a general formula to find out any term of an AP or nth term of an AP. Tell me what is the first term is? First term A1 is the first term. It is given by what? A. Can I write as A plus 0D baribodan nodu? 0 into D is 0. Instead of writing 0, can I write 0 into D? 0D. Then what is second term? Second term I can write it as A plus
2 into 0D.
No. 1 into D. Okay. A plus T is the second term. A plus T number book number. A plus T can written as idana vale berlikattina. I am not doing anything new here. A plus 1D. Then you have A3 is equal to A plus A3 is equal to. This is the third term. What do you get? 2D. Got it?
Yes.
Then what will be A4 will be equal to? A4 will be equal to A plus 3D. Now you will get a general trend how the sequence proceeds. Based on this particular idea, you can prove that what is AN is equal to, you just make some observation. When the term number is 1, coefficient of D is 0. Illi 1 idaga illi madaku ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ 0 ಅದು. A ಅಂತೂ common in all the terms. A is common in all the terms. Only changes will be D. A2 will be what?
Minus
1 less than 2. And what is third term? A plus 1 less than 3. What is fourth term?
1 less than 4.
First you try to understand. Don't involve in writing. Try to understand the concepts. 4 kinta ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 3 ಬಂತು. Now can you guess what is the nth term? Nth term based on this particular observation is A plus 1 less than. ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ 0. ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ 1. 3. 1 less than 3 is 2. 1 less than 4 is 3. And 1 less than n will be n minus 1. What is n? Whenever you subtract 1 from n, what do you get? You will get n minus 1 into D. This is the required formula. This is called as the formula to calculate nth term of an AP. That is AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula to find out the nth term of NAP. Just note down, that's a derivation. Very simple. We'll have problems on calculation of nth term of NAP with the next exercise. Okay, let us solve some problems. I'll go on giving you one by one. Noted the derivation? Any doubts in it? ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬಿಡಿಸೋದು ಶುರು ಮುಗಿತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಥಿಯರಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ nth term of NAP is obtained by using the formula first term plus n minus 1 into d. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ what the 10th term is?
10 plus 10
10th term is a plus 1 ಕಡಿಮೆ d, 1 ಕಡಿಮೆ d, 1 less than n ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ n minus 1
9
a5 a plus 4d a10 ಓರಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ a plus
7 minus 8
ನಾ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ತಲೆ ಏನು ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಅಗದಿ ಸರಳ ಇರ್ರಿ. ನಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದಿಕೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 10ಕ್ಕ 9d a10 ಅಂದ್ರ a plus 9d a11 ಅಂದ್ರ a plus 10d a12 ಅಂದ್ರ
11
a plus 11d a20 ಅಂದ್ರ a plus 19d a18 ಅಂದ್ರ a plus 17d ಇದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 25 ಅಂದ್ರ a25 25th term
a plus 24d
exactly 50th term
a plus 49d
100th term
a plus 99d
2021 term
2020
a plus ಯಾರು ಅನ್ಬೇಕು
2020
a plus 2020 d ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ d ಇದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ತರ ಇಟ್ಕೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೇಳಿತಾರ how the questions will appear. We'll go on seeing types now. Start with the problem number 1 on this topic. ಯಾವ topic? nth term of NAP. We'll start from 1 again. So take the first problem. Find 10th term of find 10th term of AP 2 7 17 so on. This is the AP. Check whether it is an AP or not. 2 7 12 17. Is it an AP? How do you check given orally ಹೆಂಗ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ?
a2 minus a1
Yes, what is the answer?
5
5. So common difference is same. Note 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 5 17. ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದ 5. ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಇದೇನಿದು AP ಅದ. So what is our aim? Our aim is to get what?
yeah 10th
10th term ಬೇಕು. So ನನಗೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ ನನಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು? two things ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Given sequence must be AP and it is first term and the common difference ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Here given is 2 7 12 17. Here what is first term? Here 2. A is 2. What is common difference? D is 5. Right? We have AN is equal to, what is AN formula? A plus n minus 1 into D may appear for 1 mark. Just 1 mark question. formula ಹಚ್ಚೋದು. What is A10 is asked, right? Then what is the first term? First term is 2 plus what is the 10 minus 1 is 9 into what is the D is 5. Just substitute. Don't need not require any intelligence. Clarify the doubts. That is what is A10 is equal to 2 plus what? 40. 45 plus 2 is 47. Correct answer. Any doubts in it? Okay. ಈಗ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ತೀರಿ. Ready? Understood the formula? Now I will give you a problem for 2 marks. 2 marks ಗೆ ಒಂದು problem ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Find A12 and A24 of an AP 9, 13, 17, 21, so on. First, you check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ whether it is an AP or not. AP ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು first. Then you have to start working. Yes, check whether it is an AP.
24th term, sir.
A12 and A24. The question may appear for how many marks? 2 marks. Note. First of all, you have to collect an AP. First, ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. What given is 9, 13, 17, 21. Can you tell me what is the first term? Loudly ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಾನು ಕೇಳೋಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. 9. What is the D is? 4. ಹೌದಾ? Asked ಏನಂದ್ರಿ? What you are asked to find out?
24th.
A12 and A24 is asked. Solution ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂಗಾರ? We have first formula ಬರೀರಿ. What is the formula you are using? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. And what is A12 is equal to 9 plus
12 minus 1.
12 minus 1 is
11.
correct answer. 11 into ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ D. 11 into what is D is 4. What is your answer? 9 plus 11 4s are 44. 44 plus 9 is right?
53.
53 ಬಂತ. ಗುಡ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? A24 ನನಗಿನ್ನ ಮುಂದಿರಬೇಕು. ನಾ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಡ್ರಿ. You should be the first to solve, then I should solve. What is first term is 9 plus 24 means you will get 23 into what is the D is again 4. What do you get? 9 plus 4 3s are 12. Carry 1. Go to the 8 plus 1 is 9. What is your answer? 112. Shabash. 92 plus 8 is 100 plus 1 is 1 and not 2. Clarify the doubts. Any doubts in it? Okay.
Yes.
Clarify. If you have got any doubts.
Yes.
Okay. ಈಗ next problem. Show that. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ತೀರಿ ಈಗ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Be quick enough. First problem ಬರೀಲಿ? Okay. Practice it. Don't worry about textbook. ಮಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ textbook. ನಾ ಏನ್ ಕಲಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅವ್ನು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Show that 9, 12, 15, 18, so on is an AP. Is an AP. And hence find the 16th term of the AP. Term of AP. There are 2 works in it. Therefore, I will ask the problem for 2 marks. 2 marks ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Let us solve. So, first of all, you have to note down the 12, 15, 18. Okay. How do you check it is an AP? ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿ ತಕ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅನ್ ಎಪಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ a2 minus a1 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಕಾಮನ್. Here you have a3 minus a2. Here you have a3 minus a4 minus a3. ಈಗ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. What is a2 minus a1 is 12 minus 9. What is the common? What is the difference? What is the formula for common difference? Any term minus previous term.
3.
Now you tell me 12 minus 9 is 3. What about here? 15 minus 12 is 3. Then you have
18 minus 15.
18 minus 15 is equal to 3. And my common difference is same.
3.
As a CD is the same, common difference is the same. It is an AB. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕೋರಿಂಗ್. ಇದು ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಆಸ್ ಅ CD is the same, it is an AP. Out of 2 marks ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1 mark ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ? ಸುಮಂತ್,
16.
ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ, ಹಾಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೇನದ ರೀ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 15 ಟರ್ಮ್ 16 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ A is equal to 9.
9.
What is the D is equal to?
16 minus 1, 15.
D is equal to 3. We have formula ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಸರಿ ನಾನು ಈ ವಾರ ಹೊಸ ಚಾಲು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ A 16 is equal to N is equal to 16 ಹಾಕಿರಲ್ಲ,